Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited today because we have another clothing haul. Now, it's not big, but it's my first time ordering from this website, and I've heard about it for years, and it's not really one of the mainstream ones that we tend to shop on, like Missguided, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, but I found some really nice stuff and I thought I'd sit down and show you. I made an order on Nasty Gal. All the stuff is on my bed right now. I ordered from Nasty Gal because firstly they had 30% student discount, and secondly, as I said, I'd never ordered from there before, so I was just really intrigued to see what the price was like, what the quality of the clothes were like, what they had to offer, shipping prices and how fast it would come, because I'm pretty sure Nasty Gal started or launched in America, and if you have seen the program on Netflix called Girl Boss, if you haven't, you should, because it is amazing. But the woman who founded Nasty Gal, it's about the story that she went through for creating the website. So I thought that was really interesting. I just wanted to check it out. So if you do want to see what I got from nastygal.com, please keep on watching. Oh, okay, so I just tried to find the prices on my phone, but I don't think I was logged in when I ordered, and the prices I have here, I think, don't trust me on this, but I think are the discounted prices. So these are the prices with the 30% off that I got. So I'll just read them out instead of not telling you anything, and I'll link everything in the description below anyway. So the first thing I got is a black crop top. This is probably the most boring and simple piece, but it looked really cute on the model, and she didn't have a bra on when she was wearing it, and it was really low, and I just think it looked very dainty, kind of sexy, a bit vintagey. I'm not sure. I feel like people with small boobs back in the day didn't tend to wear bras, and I thought it was quite cool. But it's basically this little crop. It's got a slight wrap over at the front. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's got a little wrap over at the front. This is in a size 8. It's really soft material. It's slightly see-through, but it's not too bad because I wore it with nipple stickers. I have worn this already. I just thought it was really cute. It's a bit different from the crop tops I already have, and this was £4.20 with my discount, I think. The next thing I got I actually really like. I haven't tried it on yet, but I saw it on the website and I don't have a top like this. I thought it was quite cool. So it's basically a long sleeved turtleneck, because it rolls up, turtleneck jumper. My dog's barking. Thank you. Yeah, I thought the colour and the pattern was really nice. It's good material, it's nice and stretchy, and I think this will just go really nicely with black jeans, a little skirt. You can dress it up or dress it down. I got this in a small. I'm usually an 8 to 10, and it looks like it'll fit me absolutely fine. And on my delivery note, this was £10.50. The next thing I got I thought was a bit different as well. I've seen these types of jumpers on quite a lot of shops now, and I've always been tempted, but when I decided to do an order, I saw this and I was like, why not just try it, see if I look cool in it. If I don't, I can just send it back. So it's this plain jumper, plain black, normal neck, but it has furry leopard print sleeves. This is so soft. I am obsessed. And it has it on both sleeves, and then the rest of the jumper just goes down normally. I got this one in a small as well. It's called the Animal Attraction Faux Fur Sweater. Obviously it's faux fur. I just thought it was quite cute, something a little bit different, jazz up your sleeves. And this was £17.50. Okay, so the next thing that I got I am absolutely in love with, and again I have already worn, oops, but I saw it and I was like, I need this. It smells my perfume. But it says, don't be a dick. Don't be a dick. I love this. It is basically a cream, off-white cream colour, It's quite a long top because I got it in a medium. Probably could have got a small, but I don't know if it would have been a little bit tight. So what I do is I tie it at the front with like a bobble or something, or just tie it up round. Or I might crop this in the future when I get fed up of it being quite long. Not really sure yet, but I just think it's very cute, plain all the way down, kind of long-ish sleeves. And yeah, it says don't be a dick, and I paid £10.50 for this. The next thing I got is a pair of shoes. I don't really know why I picked these up, but I think I saw them and I was like, they look really cute. I don't have anything like this, and to be honest, I kind of need a new pair of heels. So these are called the Moving On Metallic Heel. They look like this. They are rose gold, copper, shiny. They've got a block heel and an open toe, and obviously with the ankle strap, whatever you want to call it. I got these in a 5 because I am a size 5, if you wanted to know. And these say Koi, K-O-I, don't know how you pronounce that, footwear. So I'm not sure whether these are from a different brand that Nasty Gal stocks online. I'm not too sure. They smell a bit gross, to be honest. But they look pretty sturdy, like there's nothing falling apart. I can't see any glue. So I think they are a well-made pair of shoes. I just thought these were really cute because I like a stiletto heel, but when I go on nights out or for drinks or something and I wear heels, my feet are in agony and I can't stand up. I melt to the floor. I'm like a little puddle. I'm just like, help. But these, I'm hoping, will be a bit more comfortable. They don't have the support at the bottom of like a block, but this block heel should make it easier to walk and a bit more comfortable because they're not too high. Well, I mean, if they were stiletto, you'd say they were high. I don't know. We'll see. The last thing that I got, I told you it was a bit of a small shop. It did come to quite a lot though. I think without my discount, I'd spent like £115 maybe. So it came to over £100, but then I had discount off it. But the last thing I picked up is something I've wanted to try for a while. It's one of these chainmail, is that what they're called? Tops. It's on a like a necklace thing for some reason, but this looks absolutely tiny, to be honest. Okay, didn't think it was going to be like this. You can kind of see through it. I'm going to try and hold it up. Yeah, I really don't know how I'm going to wear this. Basically, it is this rose gold chain top. But it looks like this. It's literally a sheet of material that you put around yourself, if you want to call it that. I'd have to wear like nipple stickers or some sort of sticky bra with this. I thought it would kind of cover a bit more. This only came in one size, so I'm not too sure how that's gonna go. I think the chains are kind of like adjustable, but I mean, if you're very, very petite, this might kind of drown you and not sit right. Or if you are a larger woman, I don't know how this would sit or what this would cover. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to see what it looks like on and see if I like it, because if this does not cover enough, it might be going back. But look how pretty it is. As I said, this was only in one size. I paid £12.60 for this, which isn't too bad because I think I've seen some of these tops, I mean without discount, some of these tops go in for like £30, something like that. And I mean, it's just a piece of chain. So, I don't know. I hope all these things fit, apart from the two that I've already worn because I couldn't wait. And yeah, first time ordering from Nasty Gal, I would say the clothing quality is good. I mean, not sure about this, but the shoes feel good quality. The material of the tops and the jumpers is, you know, it's decent, it's nice. I mean, it's not the best and the softest, but there we are. I ordered a couple of days ago and I didn't choose next day delivery, but I'm not sure whether with my uni days discount it gave me that. It was supposed to be $3.99 standard delivery, and I think it's $4.99 for next day. Not too sure, you'd have to check. But I didn't choose next day at the thing. I ordered it in the evening and it came the next morning, so the delivery was really, really fast. As I said, the quality is good. Shopping on the website, everything was laid out quite nicely. It was easy to find. They've got a lot to choose from, so it's worth having a look. And yeah, let me know if you want me to maybe make another order in the future. Leave a comment of another shop you want me to order from or to try. There are a few shops that I haven't really shopped from before, so I think I might do another one of those. But yeah, I really enjoyed trying out Nasty out, and they've got some pretty good stuff. I'd say it's on par with Misguided and Pretty Little Thing. Same kind of website, in my opinion. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed, please click the subscribe button as well. It would mean the world to me. And also, I'm hearing that YouTube's kind of playing up at the moment, so if you don't want to miss when I do upload, if you are interested in my videos, don't forget to click the notification bell so you get a notification when I upload a video. If you aren't already, please follow me on my social media, especially my Instagram. I post pretty much every day. There's some cool content. I should be posting pictures of the clothes, so I will leave that in the description. All the items will be linked in the description as usual. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!